Hello everyone, I'm Bharat. I would like to represent my topic, research topic is planning and operational aspects of microgrid embedded with renewable and distributed energy sources. Coming to the history of the microgrid, in the late 90s, scientists and engineers in the United States and Europe began to explore decentralized solutions that would manage the integration of thousands of distributed energy resources in a way that also minimize the reliability and resilience in the face of natural disaster, physical and cyber attacks and cascaded power failures. The solution they settled on was a grid architecture that could manage electricity generation and demand locally in subsection of the grid that could be automatically isolated from the larger grid to provide critical service even when the grid is at the larger values. This approach given the name the microgrid. Whereas the microgrid definition is the microgrid is a group of interconnected loads and distributed energy resources within a clear defined electrical boundaries that access a single controllable entity with respect to the grid. A microgrid can connect and disconnect from the grid to enable its operations in both grid connected or isolated mode. The operation of microgrid are two types: grid connected mode and isolated mode. Coming to the grid connected mode, utilized grid is active, static switch is closed. All the feeders are being supplied by the utility grid. When in the isolated mode, utility grid is not supplying power. Static switch is open. The advantages and disadvantages of the microgrid are the microgrid offers several advantages and benefits, including increased reliability, improved energy efficiency and resilience, cost reduction in the transmission losses, CO2 emission reductions and the other environmental benefits. However, they are introduced several major challenges regarding the operation and control and the production of microgrids. Coming to the planning of microgrid, the planning is an important aspect of the microgrid architecture. The the implementation particles from optimization method for the energy storage sizing in the microgrid minimize the investment cost considering the capital cost, operation and the maintenance cost and the emission reduction benefits. The effective approach was a conventional Newton-Raphson method for solving the power flow analysis of an isolated microgrid. The power flow analysis can be solved by the conventional Gauss seidel and involves the calculation of bus voltage. The second step involves the calculation of system frequencies, which is done by using the droop control characteristics of DGs. By seeing the graph, the active power has a frequency and the reactive power has a bus voltage. Whereas coming to the production of the strategies of the microgrid, the innovative strategies of solving microgrid challenges within the presence of DGs are going to present the method, including the changing of the switches, protecting disconnecting the DGs unit from when a fault occurs, making a balance among the total different DG technologies, using the fault current limiter, using the smart transformers, adaptive protection and the DGs. Coming to the operation and control of the microgrid. Operation and the control of the microgrid is the major impact shows in the planning and architecture of the microgrid. The control strategy applied in the individual duty ratio converter input. The power electronics from DC to DC and AC to DC converters to be interfered within each other for the duty ratio. The DSS will be represent the most important near solution for the supporting the operation and control of the activated distributed network, ADS. Indeed, they have a capability of supporting by providing supportive service in addition of energy balance capabilities. Conclusion: by the by the overflow of the all the slides, the power flow and the control strategies are the most important aspects of the planning and operation of the microgrid. The power flow approach of the planning and operation of Icelandic microgrid, bidirectional differential intelligent relay with a good solution of ICTC's just information communication and technologies softwares approaches this approach allows the decoupled simulation for the complete power system and the communication systems. The increased usage of hybrid and electric plug-in and plug-in vehicles which connected to the load distribution network due to the high load in the network. The important to control all the connected energy storage system to the network and maintain the balance between the customer needs is the major aspect. Thank you.